Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My Greg. Guys, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much. Today I'll be making this is what I'm doing today is 720-degree circle skirt. Sorry, I was in the middle of it when I thought to upload it. That might be helpful, it might help someone. This is 720-degree skirts, double skirts, but this one is 360. I have two circles here, and this one is 360 also, but I'll go through it with. I'm going to repeat everything that I did on this fabric. I'm going to repeat it on this one. This one is stretchy fabric, but this one is not. But I'm going to repeat exactly what I did on this fabric on this one. Our waist measurement is 26. Skirt length is 22.5. So because I'm going to cut two circles, I will divide her waist measurement into two. Her waist measurement divided by 26 divided by 2 is 13 inches. So because this is stretchy fabric, I didn't add any seam allowance to the waist measurement. I just used the 13 inches to cut it. But if you like, you can add ½ inch on both sides. But if you're using cotton fabric, African print, for your own, you will add seam allowance. At least you add half or one on both sides or half on both sides. If you're adding one on both sides, that means 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 13 inches, which is 15 inches. So you're going to use 15 inches for waist measurement for one. So her skirt length is 22.5. Her band is 1.5. I'm going to minus 1.5 her band from the length of the skirt. She wants this for her band, elastic band. 22.5 minus 1.5 is 21 inches. But I didn't add any seam allowance to hem it because I'm not going to hem it. But if you want to hem yours, you can add ½ inch to the length so that you can hem it, because you can fold it once. But if you're using like African print or cotton fabric, any other fabric, you will add like 1 inch to hem it because you will double fold it. To get the radius, I will use half of her waist measurement, which is 13. 13 divided by 6.28 is 2 inches. So 2 inches plus 21 inches, the length is 23 inches. So I'll measure 23 inches. Well, let me see what I have. I'll fold it into 2. Okay, I have about 24, but what I want is 23. So on this side, I'll measure another 23 inches, then fold it into 2 again. Is folded into 4. So on this side, I'll mark the waist radius on this side, then I'll mark the length of the skirt. Okay, here I'll mark 2 inches. So from here, I'll mark the length of the skirt. This is the waist radius. From this point to this line is 2 inches, and from here to this, from this waist radius to this line is 21 inches, the length of the skirt, and from up here to this line is 23 inches. So now, before I'll cut it, I'll mark ½ inch here because I'll sew this elastic waistband to this skirt. I need a ½ inch seam allowance to sew this on top here. So I'll mark 1/2 inch on this. From here I'll go up 1/2 inch. Half inch. So I'll cut it on this 1/2 inch. I'll cut it on this first line because this one is same allowance to sew this to the skirt. So I'm going to cut on that line, then on this line I'll cut it and show you. So this is what we have. So you're going to cut 2 of this, but I'm not going to cut another one because I've already have the one I will use. So you will open it. So this is 1/360. This times 2 is 720. So I'm going to continue from here. I have 2 circles here. I'll join them together with 1/4 inch. I'll go and join the 2 together. I'll do it and show you. But if you're using like a cotton fabric, African print, you will add zip for your own and you will cut band for your own. From your fabric you will cut band. But this one is stretchy fabric, and this one is the elastic, so I don't need zip for this. I'll go and join it and show you. I've joined them together. I use machine thread. This is what I have. So what I'll do next is to fix the band, the elastic band. I'll use black thread, machine thread for it, the black, because I'll sew it from outside. The skirt will be under the elastic. So I'll first, for you to know how many inches that you use for the elastic, like your waist measurement for elastic, you will put it around your waist, not too tight, or you'll minus like 2 to 3 inches. But sometimes some elastic stretch more and some stretch less. So but I prefer to just put it around the waist, but not too tight. So I'll first join the line. I'll cut the one I want. I'll just join it together here. So I'll put it on top from outside and sew it round. I'll do it and show you. I'll fix the band. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you.